Magic time. Hey there, Sean Bailey. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about marketing funnels for beginners. And before we get started, I need to click the buttons here. I need to click like, subscribe, notify, and I thank you in advance for this because 97% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribers. So why don't you go ahead and subscribe? It would really help me out. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at a really simple, awesome marketing funnel here. So this one I borrowed from Russell Brunson. This is a copy of his cart/book funnel. Now the key point about this is that by setting it up like this, you can make upwards of 4 times more money than selling something through a traditional website. That's what happened for me with my particular example. I'll show you, and we'll take a look at Now, the key point about this is that you can make 4 times more money than through a traditional website. That's how it worked out for me. I was selling a product for $7, but because I went and changed it and set it up like this with a sales funnel, my average customer value shot up to over $34, right? Now, we're going to go through and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this entire funnel and show you all the pieces that are involved here. And the great thing is that you can get access to some done-for-you marketing funnels at the end of this so that you can shortcut your setup time and start selling faster. Now here's the important parts. Here. You need something to sell, whether it's your book, your course, whatever that you're selling here. The second part is that video is just faster to implement, I find, when it comes to some type of selling message, whether it's, instead of writing out a long form sales page and doing it that way, I find that it's just much easier to go and create a script, record the video, and put it into place. So get comfortable with making videos. Next important point is the order bump. So you can see right beside where it says book offer on the page here, the next part is the order bump. I'll show you an example of this once we get going. But the order bump, remember, is like free money. When someone says order bump, just think to yourself, that means free money because people, they usually just can't resist taking the order bump when it's on the page there. Now, the next part is having upsells in place. You want to have upsells in place because, like Rihanna says, they work, okay? Having upsells along the way dramatically, that's what dramatically increases your average customer value. It starts with your bump, but it continues with the upsells. If you have them in place, people will take advantage of the upsell because they're in a buying mood, right? If it's something good and it's something that they want, they're going to click the button that says yes, and they're going to take advantage of it. Next, you want to have follow-up emails because sometimes people are busy and life gets in the way. So, they might see the page here. If they don't go and take advantage of the offer right away, we can send them more emails after the fact that point them back to the offer and show them different angles, different benefits, different reasons why they should go buy. I think it was Forbes.com that said on average people need 7 different contacts, 7 different messages along the way before they'll go and actually take action. So if you've got some type of follow-up sequence and you've only got 3 emails in it, well, that's not going to do the trick. If you can increase it and have a longer follow-up sequence for the people who aren't buyers, then you've got a better chance of sending them back and going and making that sale. So if you want to go and see an example of one of these types of funnels in action, you can go over to seanbailey.com/FBP, grab your set of funnel blueprints, and then on the next page, you'll see the sales funnel in action. The great thing is I've got a bunch of pre-built marketing funnels for you that you can go and take. Just have to go to seanbailey.com/OFA. If you go and sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, you get all the bonuses on those page. Plus, once you're inside the bonus area, you'll see a part that says pre-built funnels, sweet bonus, and you can go and download these pre-built funnels. All you have to do is one-click install. It'll go right into your ClickFunnels account. And then you don't have to go and build out all these pages and all these pieces. It's already done for you. So let's jump in and kind of take a look at the pieces that are involved here so I can break this down for you a little bit more. Okay, so here is the first step in our cart or a book funnel where we're selling something here, right? So on this page, we've got a few important elements here, right? We've got a headline telling them what they're going to get and why it's important for them. We've also got this countdown timer because we want them to go and take action on this, right? We want to set some type of timer, some type of limit, so if they don't take action, they're going to miss out, right? So we tell them about this offer, what's involved here, and then we've got buttons along the way to take them to the next step of the funnel. So they can go read about this. If they're interested in this product, all they have to do is go ahead and click the button that will take them to the next step of the funnel. So now we'll take a look and see all these elements in action here. So here we have our actual order page where they're going to go and buy the thing. So they're going to put in their credit card information. They've decided that they're going to, take the step, take the plunge, and buy this particular product. But the great thing is on this page, once we go down to the bottom here, and we can see we've got this added extra step here. So here we see this is our order bump. So we can see if they go and buy these done for you email templates, if they click this button here, this is our order bump. So if they click that button that says, yes, give me the upgrade, then it adds this additional item to their order. So now they go, not only are they getting this, but they're getting this as well. And they can go and basically check, uncheck whether they want it or not, and check it out and try it. But if they click that box and add this order bump to their order, then they're going to be spending more right off the top as soon as they go. Before they even get to the upsells, we've increased our average customer value right off the bat just by having this order bump in place. And the great thing is, just by having this order bump, people will take advantage of it. And whether you'll see whether a lot of people do or a few people take advantage of it. At least you've got it in place so you can start getting results. And if it's not converting and not a lot of people are taking advantage of it, then you can go and start testing and trying some different things. But at least by having it in place, you're going to see something happen. And like I say, having the order bump right at the front there, it's like free money. So now, once people have gone and put in their credit card information, whether they're taking advantage of the order bump or not, now we've got them onto our first upsell in the process here, right? So the cool thing is that here we tell them, wait, your order's not complete. Don't hit the back or refresh button. We don't want to. So here's the next step in our process, and then this is awesome. This is our first upsell in the process. So we tell them, wait, your order's not complete yet, and we're basically presenting them with an additional offer, with an upsell here, right? We can tell them, hey, don't miss this amazing offer. No, this is a one-time offer. It's only available right here, right now. We can use words like that. Here we've got a quick little sales video explaining what this upsell is and how they can take advantage of it, and then a button to add it to the order. Yes, I want to add this to my order for an additional $97 today, or we can have a no link in here saying, hey, no, I don't want to do this. And I like to have a little bit of fun with the no link and say something like, instead of just no thanks, I say, no thanks, I don't want to create kick-ass videos in a flash or grow my business using video. We want to kind of explain to them what they would be missing out on, what the cost of not taking advantage of this upsell would be. Now you're wondering, why is there a timer on this page? What happens is once this timer expires, it takes them to the end of the process, to the order confirmation. If something happens and for whatever reason they don't go through this process, they come to this page and they get busy doing something else, I want to move them to the end of the funnel here so that they get to their thank you page, kind of a confirmation page saying, okay, here's your stuff. The transaction went through. Here's how to get access to the stuff that you bought. Because that's what people want as far as, once they go and buy something online, once they take that plunge, they want to get to that step in the process when it's like everything went through okay, everything's all good. Here's your stuff. Here's how to get your stuff, right? And the cool thing is if they go and click on the X here, then I've got this cool little pop-up. Same thing. If we want to just have them, if they want to just skip this and get to the end, we're able to just get them to go and finalize their order and take them to the last step in the process, which looks like this. Here we say, congrats, your order's complete, everything went through. Here, this would have a link to their product. They would just click on it and would go and take them either to, we can have them go to a download page or we can have them go to a membership site. However we want to do it, they can go and take advantage of it. So there you go. That's what the practical pieces look like inside the funnel itself there. Now, again, remember the important parts are having that order bump. Remember, it's free money, as well as including upsells. I don't recommend having too many upsells in place. You can get to the point where people are like, enough, stop trying to sell me things, and it's just going to annoy them. Like having one upsell is great. Having two upsells is even better, but I wouldn't recommend too many past that. The last step, of course, is the thank you page where we show them, hey, everything went through. Here's how to get your stuff. As well, we want to add them if they didn't take advantage. If they didn't buy, we want to add them to a non-buyers list so we can follow up with them via email and show them different angles, different reasons to buy. I recommend having at least 7 emails in place because, according to, I believe it's Forbes was saying, like the average person needs at least 7 touches, 7 contacts before they'll go and actually take action and go and buy something. So the great thing is I'm going to show you all the rest of the bonuses you get over at seanbailey.com/OFA. But if you go and take advantage of those bonuses, I'm including this special new section here where you can go and get a bunch of these pre-built marketing funnels, these pre-built cart funnels ready to go. All you have to do is go to the section that says pre-built funnels, click on where it says pre-built funnel downloads, and all you have to do is just literally click, one click, and we'll add that pre-built funnel into your ClickFunnels account. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you inside. A special training that I've got, it's my sales message training for non-writers. So this is this awesome little 3-part kind of do it with me training designed so that you can create your first sales letter script. Let me zoom in here a little bit more. So basically we're going to bang out your own sales letter that includes a headline, a lead, a story, awesome bullets, include your offer and close, and it's designed to be just enjoyed and consumed in an afternoon. And imagine how great it's going to feel. You have the sales letter formula that you can use over and over, and you can save thousands of dollars because you won't have to go and hire an expensive copywriter like me. Again, you'll get the funnel copywriter toolkit. So in here, we've got sales letter templates. So these are 5 different sales letter templates that you can use, modify, and profit from at will. There's a text sales letter template, a VSL sales letter template for products and courses, done for you service, a resume sales letter I think that you'll find is really, really awesome, as well as the hook story offer sales letter ready to go for you as well. So these are copy and paste templates. You just go craft your offer, go through the template that we just went through, and then plug it into one of these sales letters. I've also got the 5 different email campaign templates for you. I got the word template in there twice. I have to go through and edit that. You get an onboarding series. You get a 5-day launch series. You get a new subscriber to new buyer series, plus some more awesomeness that you only get if you take advantage of the One Funnel Away challenge and get these bonuses from me. You get the list of 150 words and phrases. So this is basically an ocean of powerful selling words and phrases, and I'll show you where to apply them in your sales letter, which means more people are going to go and click and buy and take action and spend money with you. With the selling with words starter kit, so this is like a visual reference. So you'll instantly know the perfect angle of attack to start your sales message, because you want to know, is your customer product aware? Are they solution aware? Wherever they fall on that awareness scale is going to dictate the type of sales message that you should use in your actual sales message. Next, you get my ClickFunnels Fast Start mini course. This is basically the fastest way to start selling something using ClickFunnels, right? This doesn't go in depth about all the nifty little features and settings and all that kind of stuff with ClickFunnels. This is about setting up your product in ClickFunnels in the shortest amount of time and start selling. So you'll finally be able to start selling your own products online without getting, stuck in the technical weeds that most people get hung up with. And lastly, you get the lead funnel workshop. This thing is pretty awesome because you probably heard that saying, the money is in the list. So let's go and build your email list fast, right? Your email list is the biggest and most valuable asset in your business, right? Because it is absolutely amazing when you can go write up an email, hit send, and start seeing sales and results coming in because you have an email list. That means you don't have to go and buy, beg, or borrow traffic, right? Your email list is traffic that you own. So all of this together, you get $3,000 worth of value from Russell Brunson. You get $2,688 from me, brings the total value to $5,814, and you get all of that for just $100 by going and entering into the One Funnel Challenge by taking advantage of it through my special link. All you have to do is go to this page, go to SeanBailey.com, www.seanbailey.com/OFA, and you can go and it'll take you to this page here. All you have to do is click this button to sign up for the challenge. On the next page after this, it'll have the instructions. All you have to do is sign up for the challenge, forward your receipt that comes back, forward that on to me, just send it over to support@seanbailey.com, and then I will email access to the bonuses to you, right? And you get all this stuff, again, like I say, just for $100 for entering into what I consider to be, with the One Funnel Away Challenge, this, honestly, this is probably one of the best marketing courses on the planet. Not only do you get the training from Russell Brunson and from his coaches about how to go set up an offer, set up a funnel, and start selling it, but you're also get all these interviews, all this advice from other different internet millionaires. These are all people who've launched funnels and made over $1 million doing it. It is absolutely amazing. It's one of the best. I've been through this course multiple times. 3 times I've gone through this thing, and each time I still find more goodness inside of it. And you get access to this course plus all the bonuses from me if you go and take action today. All you have to do, again, just go to SeanBailey.com. I'll show the link for you here. Just go to SeanBailey.com, www.seanbailey.com/OFA, and you can go and get access to these bonuses. So I'm going to be doing more series in regards to this to keep promoting these, to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge, and to give you some more copywriting goodness. The next one is going to be talking about headlines and bullets, and we're going to be talking about selling with stories. And then I will be giving you my ultimate sales letter formula, and all of this stuff, all of this additional training is going to be added and bundled into all the bonuses that you just saw with the One Funnel Away Challenge. So don't miss out. Go get it, and you can get access to all of this as well. I hope you enjoyed this training. I know I sure did. This has been really awesome. So I will see you in the next one.